Hey, this is a short video explaining how to traverse a linked list. Now, quick recap on linked lists. The first node in the list is known as a head. You merely start from the head to access the rest of the list using the next pointer. Data can be of any type, int, string, etc. Now, next points to the next node. And as you can see on the left, this is a standard node struct in C, and what I'm going to use for the example. Iterating through a linked list involves taking each value in a linked list and doing something with it. For example, adding the numbers together, in this case, printing them. This involves a pointer indicating which node should be printed and a loop that advances through the list until the end. Let's make a variable called current, indicating the current node that we are looking at. Now, for each node, we want to print its value. So current is the current node we're looking at, and we're accessing data. So it's number value for the node. Then after we're done with the value, we move to the next one. So we set current to be its next node. So when the loop goes and repeats, we'll be accessing the next node in the list. Now recall how we indicate the end of the list. The last node should have a next pointer of null. Hence, let's loop until current becomes null, because when it is null, we are at the end of the list and there's no more values to loop through. The order is important here. If we go to the next node before we print, then we'll skip over a node. And when we reach the end, we'll be accessing a null pointer, as current will already be null. Now let's see what happens as the program runs. So here's our list, and here's an example of me running the program. This is the list head. These arrows indicate where the next pointer is pointing to. And at the end, we have null. Now current starts here at 42, and the program prints 42. And the current pointer keeps advancing, printing the next value, until we reach the end of the list. And there's no more values to print, and the program stops. There we go. That's how to traverse a linked list in 2 minutes.